The purpose of this video is to show how the crash detect system works. Before I had mentioned that the sensor is floating. There's a light trap sensor on the top here. This little red light we see here is a light sensor that will cut when the sensor goes all the way up. If I ask the sensor to go down and stop it, you'll see it goes immediately to its home position. So I'll intentionally ask the sensor to go down, and I'll obstruct its path going down, and you'll be able to see what happens. This is how the crash detect system works. Obviously, if the crash detect cable here has a problem, the crash detect system will not work. The system will default and will not move the arm at all. Thank you for completing this training on the crash detect system in the HIAC 9703 Plus instrument.